Hi everyone! Today we're going to be cooking some super delicious steak. I've got some steak here which I ordered from Mayor's Delight. Thanks guys! And you can marinate your steak for like 30 minutes before cooking, but this one was marinating since last night. So check that out. That looks so delicious. So I used some garlic, salt, black pepper, and this Montreal steak, whatever it is that you call it. So yeah, so all that. And of course, we have some rosemary. Before you cook your steak, make sure to remove the garlic first. You don't want your burnt garlic on your steak. I use butter to cook steak. Of course, it's more delicious when you use butter instead of oil. Yum, yum, yum. Butter. Just some low fire, and when your butter is hot enough, go ahead and put in your steak. Yum, yum. Alright. So what I like to do is while I'm waiting for one side to cook, I'm going to add a bit more spices to the other side. You're going to want to cook each side for only 4 minutes, okay? That is if you want it to be medium rare. It's going to be popping. And I can smell it already. Oh, getting so hungry. 4 minutes. 4 minutes is up, so it's time to flip your steak. Now, another 4 minutes for the other side. It's time to move your steak to some aluminum foil. Yum, yum. I like to add the butter where I cooked it on there for added flavor. Oh my god, this is going to be so good. Oh, that looks so delicious. Now you're going to wrap it. Alright, you're going to wrap your steak. Nice. Keep it hot. Now the reason we're doing this is because it's going to keep cooking in there, but the temperature is going to be just right. Because if you keep cooking it in the pan, it's going to burn. So it's not going to be delicious. Alright? So you just leave it there for a few minutes until you're ready to eat. Get everything ready. Okay, when you're ready to eat, unwrap the goodness. Oh my god, this is gonna be delicious. Alright, so I'm gonna transfer this to the plate along with all that buttery goodness. Yum, yum. Oh my god, that looks so good. And of course, you're gonna slice into strips. Oh my god, I'm getting super, super hungry. Yum, yum. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Alright, let's give this a shot. I've got some fried rice, and I also have mushroom and corn to go with my steak. Let's try it. And then guys, I do this. I get a slice of steak and then dip it in that butter where you cooked your steak. So good. Like heaven. And then look at that goodness. certified, super duper good. If you want some steak, like me, go ahead and order some from my friends over at Mayor's Delight. Super good and super reasonably priced as well. So it won't cost you as much as when you go to a restaurant or something. Just cook it at home like I did. Super yummy! Thanks once again. Oh, don't eat with your mouth. It's full. Super good and super reasonably priced.